again, one of my responsibilities is to maintain our office clean and tidy. So for today, we hired a contractor to do the cleaning of our carpet and chairs. I'm gonna show you the process of how they do the cleaning. Let's begin. Number one is to vacuum the fabric. This is to extract the dry dust or soil. Number two is to pre-spray using the antibacterial solution and massage the solution to the fabric to loosen the soil. Number three is chip extraction is carried out. In the machine, there is a conditioning rinse. Let's go to the carpet cleaning. At first, they have to vacuum the carpet because 80 to 90% are dry soil or dust. Number two is pre-spray with antibacterial cleaning solution. Number three is to use the machine to brush and massage the cleaning solution into the carpet fiber and to loosen the soil. And number four is heavy-duty deep extraction machine to extract, emulsify the soil. So that's it, the process of cleaning the carpet. Thank you for watching. See you around.